Hi, thank you for watching this video. Today I'll be sharing with you on the bad habits that steal and rob the success of everyone. And one of the bad habits that I want to share is that the losers like to blame others. The losers like to blame others. Do you know when we blame someone, we are actually giving away our personal power, and we say that that guy stole my success. That guy is the one who caused me and make me a failure. When you are blaming another person, you actually loses your power because you say, I am a failure because of him. I am a failure because of her. So by blaming someone else, we are saying, I am powerless, I don't have power, I don't have the ability, I don't have the capability to do what I need to do in order to become successful. But we all know from the history, all the people who are successful are accountable and responsible for their own actions and decisions. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to be powerful, if you want to be successful, first you must be responsible for making things happen in your own life. You are responsible to making things happen in your work and in your business. It's very easy to find an excuse. It's very, very easy to blame the economy, blame the government, blame somebody else. But the truth is, the only way to become successful in what we do is we are accountable, we are responsible in the area that we have the control. And in the area that we have control, we can do what we can do in order to make things happen. In the area that we have no control, which is like the economy and the business environment, that you have to leave it to the environment. But I'm saying that most of the time when things go wrong, it's very easy to point fingers at other people because it's very easy to say they are the one who caused my failure. Here I learned that even though if we successfully reason out and we blame others, we are still not getting the success that we want. So you and I will benefit nothing when we blame another person because there is still no success. The only way to get it right is to be accountable. It is like I say, why are you not running? Because you are not running, I'm not losing 5 kg. Because you are not running, I am putting on weight. So I cannot reduce my weight if I ask somebody else to run my journey. If I ask somebody else to do exercise, hoping myself to be stronger and fitter, it will never happen. I am responsible to my own exercise. I am responsible to my own diet. I am responsible for my own lifestyle, and I cannot blame another person. So nobody can become successful by blaming another person because nobody can do exercise and do the walking or running for you to get fitter, right? So ladies and gentlemen, it's very important to understand blaming is the cheapest way to feel good. But it's also a sure way not to be successful. Let me repeat. Blaming is the cheapest way to feel good when things go wrong. But it is also a sure way not to be successful. Blaming is expensive because it will cost you your success. So stop blaming anyone else, stop blaming the government, stop blaming God, but be accountable, be responsible for your own decisions and action. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Jackson Ng, and I'm the author of You Are a Masterpiece. I hope you like my video, and if you do, you are welcome to share the link and to leave the comment in the YouTube channel. Thank you for sharing my videos with your colleagues, with your friends, and with anyone you know that can benefit from the video. Thank you for watching.